beautiful. Oh my God. So from total, from la caille, où elle on sel mot gradi, c'est oh my God.
Les laps marchés, sans exagérer, à terre à fond en deux. Oh my God, depuis le garden, tous ces lunes comme mieux désactivés. Oh my God, les ligues galées, c'est plus belle mélodie que...
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this tutorial, we're going to need some Kanekalon hair and our brush, some rubber bands and bobby pins, also some edge control, eco styler gel, it's important, and then our mousse and water for our hair. This for our edges. My comb fell. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So we're just gonna pretty much try to pull all of the hair forward with the comb. That's what I'm doing here first. And we're just gonna thoroughly comb all of that through. Then we're gonna go ahead and take our eco styler gel and start applying them all around the edges. Be sure to get the back as well, and be sure to apply a good amount, okay? Especially for the back. If the back of your hair is a lot shorter, you want to make sure you apply a good amount back there. Get those edges. Make sure that everything is nice and slick, pulled up. And then we're going to go ahead and take our water bottle just to kind of smooth it out. Alright, and then our edge control for the edges. Make sure you apply a good amount to get those edges laid. As you can see, some of my makeup got in there, so what you can do is you can just wipe it off, or take like a piece of cloth with water and you can just simply wipe it off. Make sure you get the little sideburns if you like that, like myself. And then we're gonna take our brush those down and brush the edges down. Try to slick them down as best as you could. You want to make sure that you're using the harder part of the brush to just thoroughly get all of that up there. Alright, then we're going to take our rubber band and make sure we tie it tightly up there. Alright. Oh my gosh, look at my muscles, you guys. I'm not sure what's going on with those guns. Alright, now we got that pulled up all the way. I'm looking like a cone head. Alright, that's what's happening here. What the heck? I don't know. Alright, so we're going to take a rubber band and we're going to put it in our tiny little bun. I might have to take a second one there. There we go. How funny is that? Alright, so then we're going to take our hair. You want to tie that part around your bun. Secure it. And then we're just going to pretty much wrap this around the bun. I did have some trouble actually trying to get this together, and I think because it's the Kanekalon hair, you can always use different type of hair if you prefer. This was just my choice because I just wanted something a little bit closer to my texture hair, so that's why I ended up using this. As you can see, it's just like coming apart and it's all uneven, so that was super frustrating. But looks like we're somewhat getting it there. But that part was definitely a harder task. You want to make sure you have a lot of bobby pins to fully secure that. I don't know what's going on, you guys. So here's another attempt at this thing. Alright, here's another attempt. There we go. There we go. We're getting somewhere, I hope. There we go. Now we're gonna pin it. Yep. So now I'm opening the second pack of hair because I wanted my bun to be just a little bit like bigger. So we're just doing the same steps and then we're just twisting that. Once again, having a very hard time with the Kanekalon hair. I would recommend that you use a different type of hair, something that just doesn't get as tangled as the Kanekalon hair, because that was super frustrating. We're just gonna go ahead and pin this baby down. As you can see, I had to like just keep twisting the ends. Now we're gonna go ahead and fix these edges to perfection and cut off those pieces of hair that's just sticking out. Okay, so we are pretty much done. I hope you guys enjoyed and thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.